Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
May I know your name?
Myself, Soumya Das.
My name is Anushka.
Myself, Nayan Patel. I am the elder brother of Anushka and Somita.
Okay, welcome to GSFC University. Did you get any reference about this university?
Yes, ma'am. We got reference from internet as well as one of my relative told me that GSFC University is a pioneer institute for the higher education. That's why we are coming for the admission inquiry.
Okay, so thank you so much. And GSFC University, still I'll tell you a little bit about it. GSFC University is we can say, a private university in Gujarat, one of the leading private university. And you know that it has a backbone of GSFC Limited. It is a CSR activity of GSFC Limited, which is having a, we can say, long tenure of the organization, right? So that is all about the GSFC University. And it is having such a brand that everybody is having an idea that yes, GSFC Limited is something very good.
So I wanted to know about the BBA program.
Yeah, BBA program, basically it is a program wherein you will learn that how to develop your managerial skills. That each and every organization, right, is having a managerial departments, managerial level positions, right, wherein you need to manage the various things in the various areas, right? Either it can be in the HR, either it can be in the finance, right? You have to manage the people, you have to manage your production part, right? Everything. So we can say that basically BBA program will help you in creating an awareness about all these areas, then to develop your skills in that particular areas, so that when you go and inculcate yourself to for the organization, you are capable enough to handle the organization. So that is a basic motive of this program.
So are there any specialization options?
Yes, actually in BBA we offer 4 specialization: HR, marketing, accounting and finance, and information technology management. These are the 4 specialization we offer. Actually, the syllabus or the curriculum is designed in such a way that in the first year there will be the general subjects. That means the first 2 semester comprises of the general subjects, in the sense that because you need to learn such various general subjects as well, like economics, like principles of management, the basics of management, right? Little bit of computer applications, right? The communication skills, right, which is being required for a professional person, right? So this will be learnt in the first 2 semesters, and then onwards you have to decide that which specialization you want to go for, and accordingly you can select on the basis of your interest area, on the basis of the scope, on the basis of the opportunities you find it in the market.
What are the safety measures taken by GSFC University for the students?
Yeah, actually, sir, you belong to outside?
Yes.
Okay. So for girls as well as for boys, we have a hostel facility within the campus itself. You can have a walkable, we can say, distance from the university to the hostel. So even if you don't have any vehicle or something like that, still you can reach to the hostel, right? In the hostel, there are 2 boys hostel, one is the girls hostel, which are accommodating approx 160 boys, and we can say the 60 girls, right? So this will help them to accommodate over here. Plus, along with hostel, there is a canteen facility. They have the mess facility. In the mess, they are getting a 4-time food. We can say the breakfast, then they have the lunch, then the evening snacks, and the dinner also. Along with that, the laundry facility will be provided. So, and plus the safety measures, if as you said, the complete, we can say, safety measures were taken care in the GSFC. We can say that the GSFC Limited, it is itself having a CRPF security of them. And even we can say, when we talk about the GSFC University, in each and every area of township as well as the hostel areas, there are complete CRPF guards and the securities will be there. So we can say the girls are completely safe. Not we can say girls, but everybody is quite safe, right? So no issues at all about the girls. The guards were roaming here and there and continuously watching about it. So there are no such kind of any kind of nuisance in the university campus. And even we can, I want to add up this thing that the hostel students, right? They can avail the facility of library till 12 at night.
Oh, that's
So
good.
yeah, library facilities available till 12 at night for the hostelite students, right? So even at night, if the girl want to move from we can say hostel to the library, still there are no issues. The guard can accompany them also, and they completely keep a watch on the students, that are they safely reaching to the hostel or not. And additionally we can say that as the facility is available till 12, so if anybody want to study right in the other time other than the college hours, then they can easily study at that time. So that is an added advantage, I can say, right?
I want to ask that what kind of extracurricular activities are done?
Extracurricular activities, definitely we as a BBA faculty, we always believe in the overall, or we can say the holistic development of the student, right? So to develop the student, we focus on the extra activities, co-curricular activities as well, wherein it includes we have clubs, internally departmental, that is school of management clubs were there, wherein they have certain kind of debates and allocution competitions and all that, right? At the university level also we have various clubs which helps you in developing yourself in participating at university level. Along with that, we always prefer our students to participate at the inter-college competitions, at various universities, various colleges beyond the Baroda region. We take them for the participation at various places along with the faculties, because we always focus on the safety measures. So along with the faculties, they can move beyond the universities also. And lots of our students had taken participation in various such events and had been a winner also, right? So plus this was all about the cultural, the elocution, debate and all that. Plus we are also focusing on the sports activities. We have a complete sports ground known as an officer club in the campus itself. So not only we can say the students, but the hostelites can also utilize that, right? As and when they require. We have the complete, we can say, baseball, we can say the basketball ground, we have the cricket ground, right? We have the badminton ground separately, plus the indoor activities were also there, so you can avail all that facilities. Plus we have a medical center in the campus itself. So medical center is for the, we can say, if any kind of emergency occurs, right? You are from outside, so sometimes it may happen that your child or may suffering from any issues, or and as in when you reach, meanwhile it will be difficult for you to reach from your place, right? From your location. So it's like in the emergency, they will be sent to the medical center, right? Our security guard, our the guards will take them to the medical center as and when they require, because it is in the campus itself. So you will get the prompt response and the prompt action about your illness, right? So that is again an added advantage for the students.
I want to ask what are the career opportunity with respect to the various specializations?
Yeah. The career, that is always we can say an important part of the students, right? Because when you take the degree, obviously after completion of your program, you always believe that you want to get placed at some good company, right? So basically, as I said, we have the 4 specialization. In 4 specialization, you will be having a different opportunities available based on your specialization. Suppose if you go with the marketing, then you can be a marketing manager. In the initial stage, you can start up as a sales officer, sales executive, and then you can be a marketing manager, right? If we talk about the accounting and finance, then there are lots of areas like accounting department. You have to be a part of accounting department as an accountant initially. Account executive, then you can be a finance manager, you can finance analyst, right? There are lots of areas, we can say. It is spreading wide away, right? You can be part of a financial analyst, you can say that, right? Okay. Parallelly, if you want to also start a CA, you can go with the CA program also parallelly, because it's quite similar and you can easily enroll into it. If we talk about HR, then you can be an HR analyst, HR executive, then slowly and gradually become an HR manager, right? So these are the areas in HR. Then information technology management, then you can be a system analyst, administrative analyst, then the information technology manager who is handling the whole system of the company, right? That can also be possible. And in IT, you can develop your own consultancy. So these are the jobs that is available in different specialization. Along with that, if you plan for your own startup, right, it happens that a few of the students, because management students were believing in starting their own organization or own company, right? So if you want to do some startup, for that also we are promoting. We have Guitar Council, that is a company set up under Section 8, basically working to support students for the startup activities. And that Guitar Council will help you out, and you have to give your idea that in which area you want to start your business. It should be an innovative idea, right? And the university will support you, will provide you a startup fund and startup support also, that how you should prepare your proposals for taking the approval and all that. That will be provided. So if you want to be an entrepreneur, that is also another option after the specialization. So it's like not only the job is there, but you can also start up your own firm. That is it.
In line of your response, can you please brief about the placement at GSFC University?
Yes, definitely, sir. Actually, the 2 batches have already been passed out, and lots of students have been placed at various organizations and various companies, not only in the area of Baroda region but beyond Baroda as well. So some of the companies, where the first one is the GSFC Limited itself, they always give a preference to our students in placing. So lots of students being placed over there also, GSFC Limited. Then we have LCS Service India Limited, Jai Jalaram Company is there, American Bank is there, we have Byju's, Whitehead Junior, right? So these are some of the companies which are hiring our students. And we got a very good package as well.
What is the admission criteria and what is fee structure of GSFC University, especially for BBA program?
Actually, the admission criteria is that initially the student must have the 12th degree, right? Should complete the 12th examination, and they can just register themselves for the on our website. It is available on the website www.gsfcuniversity.sc.in, right? You can register yourself. You can see on the website the complete and detailed fee structure also. And the eligibility is basically if you receive more than a 50%, right? Then you will be get the direct on 1-to-1 basis the enrollment as a right. And if you have scored below that, you have to appear for the entrance test, which we consider it on the spot entrance test. And if you clear it, you will be considered for eligible for the admission. That is the basic criteria.
Can we avail loan facility for fees?
Yeah, actually, we provide all the documents which you require, or which a bank is required for providing a loan. That will be provided by the university, so that it will be easier for you to avail the loan.
And which degrees are awarded after the completion of the program?
You will be getting BBA, and BBA with whichever specialization you adopted, right? If you go with marketing, then BBA marketing. If you adopted for finance, then you can get BBA accounting and finance.
So now many companies focus on skill development.
Yeah.
So what is the take of the faculties over this point?
Yeah, exactly true. You must ask this question. Yeah. So actually, you can see that generally students and the parents will always have the in their mind that what my child is going to learn from here, right? All the universities were providing education, but what different pedagogies were being used in the university, right? So basically we can say in BBA program main focus will be on the communication skills, the presentation skills, because as a management student these are the must skills, we can say, right? Because you have to present among others, right? That BBA will give you this communication skills, then personality development, how you can develop yourself in a professional manner, right? Personality development, analytical skills, because you have to think logical, you have to take various decisions for the management, for the company, right? So that is also very important, the logical skills, because you have to develop your logical reasoning as well. So to develop such skills, we have a different pedagogies that we followed in the university. Like we have a case study basis analysis and the study. We have role play, because in marketing, if we say that if you want to be an sales executive, then how you deal directly with your clients, right? So such kind of role plays being carried out in the classroom itself by the faculties. Okay, then we can say that role plays were there where we give them the field work. They have to go to the field, they have to collect certain data, they have to interact with the people, they have to interact with the industries, right? So from there also they can gain some knowledge, right? Basically when you interact with people you will get lot to know about them, right? And in marketing we can say we have one subject that is consumer behavior, that is wherein you have to understand what your customers requirements are there, right? So if you talk to them, then only you can get back that what are their requirements. Okay, so that is also very important. Along with that, I just forget to tell you that internship, the main USP of GSFC University is the internship. We offer internship at the end of every semester. Means as you complete your first semester, you have to go for an industry internship of around 1 month duration, or we can say 4-week duration, wherein you go and approach the industry and you will learn that how the practically the actual, or we can say the operational work is being performed in the organization, and that you can again try to relate it with the theoretical concepts which has been taught to you in the classrooms. So that way you can get the practical exposure. So that is the added advantage you are getting over here.
Do you have any other query? Madam, thank you very much for providing us such a nice detail. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And our brochure is there. You can visit our website also. And please register. Okay, please apply for that.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.